Okay, question 2. The sides of a rectangle above increase in such a way that z prime is 1, x prime is 3y prime. When x is 4 and y is 3, what is x prime? Okay, so that's the first favor that you can do for yourself, is to write these things down. Otherwise, you're going to have to reread the question 20 times at least. Okay, so they gave us a picture. So I think from our picture, usually we have to draw the picture. But what formula do you think we're going to need to tie all this together? Okay, so leg squared plus leg squared is hypotenuse squared. What comes next?
Derivative.
Okay, derivative. Make sure that you get your x prime, y prime, and z prime. All of these were with respect to time. So x, y, and z are not the same thing as t, so that's why we need that. I like to divide everything by 2 in this step. That is optional. You can deal with it later if you'd rather. Okay, what comes next? Okay, so z prime is 1. Z, I don't know that yet. Y is 3. Y prime, I don't know that one yet. X, 4, and x prime is what I'm searching for, so of course that's going to be there. Okay, so I can't solve for x prime yet because I've got 2 other variables. So there should be enough information for me to figure out z and y prime. It probably has something to do with the clues I haven't used yet. But I need to make these substitutions before I can solve it for x prime. So how could we go about finding z? Okay, so if you do, just because we did Pythagorean theorem to start this doesn't mean that we don't do it again. So if this is 4 and this is 3, z would have to be 5. Yeah, this question doesn't have the units, so I mean you could do units and units squared and such, but or units per time, I guess. Okay, and then I still got to figure out a way to deal with this y prime. Now this is where it really helps if you got, the suggestions on how to approach these questions isn't just random. If you write all this stuff down, it's a little easier to see, hey, I haven't even used this yet. And you're more likely to think, hey, instead of saying y prime, what could we put? X prime over 3. Now we've got an equation that only has x prime in it, so we're almost finished now. 4x prime plus 1x prime would be 5x prime is 5, so x prime is, looks like that would be choice B. Okay, anything specific about that one while it's up?